Adding your logos to Canva's brand kit means they're available inside every design you create, without having to search through your uploads or re-upload files every time you need them. It's a small setup step that pays off every time you open a new design. This is a paid Canva feature, so you'll need Canva Pro or another eligible paid plan to follow along. If you're not on Pro yet, you can start a 30-day free trial at brendacadman.com/pro and set up your brand kit in the account you already use. Your designs stay where they are. Before you upload, make sure you have the right file format ready. A transparent ping works well for most situations. Just make sure the background is actually transparent rather than white. If you upload a logo with a white background, you'll end up with a white box behind it every time you place it into a design, which rarely looks intentional. An SVG file is even better if you have access to one, since it stays sharp at any size. To add your logos, go to the brand area in Canva's left-hand navigation and make sure you're in the right brand kit if you have more than one. Go to the logos category, click the plus sign, and select upload files. You can also drag and drop files directly into the category. Upload the logo variations you actually use. Your primary logo, your reverse logo for dark backgrounds, any icon-only versions, and any alternate orientations that are part of your regular brand workflow. Once they're uploaded, your logos will be available directly from the brand panel inside the design editor. When you're working on a design, open the brand tab in the left-hand navigation and your logos are right there, ready to place. If you want the full brand kit setup walkthrough, including fonts, brand voice, imagery, components, and chart colors, I've linked my complete Canva brand kit tutorial below.